Alright, I want to show you how to use this remote control on the Solinba uh, power inverters. I just got one myself, and I'm looking at the picture here, and switch buttons. It says 1 time for the lights, 3 times to turn it on and off, and 8 times to change the battery types. That is wrong. I couldn't get it working, so I was talking to the company, sent him a video, and he says, oh, no. You hold it for 3 seconds to turn it on and off. Hold it for 8 seconds to change the battery type. So, their diagram is wrong, and I pointed that out to them. So I'm making this video to maybe help anybody else that's having the same problem I have or had on it. It works perfect now. Yes, don't click it 1 time, don't click it 3 times. Hold it for seconds, and it will work perfect for you. And they are changing their diagram picture here to seconds because of me. I did the work for everybody, I guess. So, well, I just wanted to point that out. It's a nice unit. I got the 2,000 watts. If you need something big, there's one. That's kind of like the dream machine there. Maybe down the road I'd be able to afford one of those. And if you want to hook up to your AC and have a charger all built into one inverter, it's yeah, this is the one I would go with. Yeah, of course you've got AC outlets in the back there. You can hook it direct up if you need that. I don't need it at this time. So, well, main thing is the remote. That would be changed. If you're having problems, hold it down for seconds. Don't click it 3 times, 4 times, or 8 times. Alright, thank you for watching the video. I have some link to these. If you need anything on eBay, that helps me out. It doesn't cost you a penny. But I get a little commission for sending you over to eBay to buy your products. So that would surely help me out, and I could get more products to review. Thank you much for watching.